Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking for three potential altcoins to buy. So right now, the market has been performing very well in the past few days. We've had some huge events, obviously, with Elon Musk and Cathie Wood speaking on the show. The B word. So there was a lot of things going on in the past 24 hours. The market is down a little bit, only about 0.69%, but Bitcoin is still performing very well. So if we take a look here, top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be ANKR, which is up actually about 47.95%, trading at $31.93. Bitcoin with our highest volume like usual. So Bitcoin's up 1.49%, so pretty much 1.5%. Ethereum pretty much breaking even, so not doing as well as Bitcoin right now. And then it seems like every other altcoin is either breaking even or up or down 1%, with some outliers like Theta. Theta is one we talked about in yesterday's video, which is actually up 14% right now. And then we have Monero up about 3%, while everything else is pretty much flat for the day. So before we get into this list, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit over 37,000 subscribers this week, so thank you guys so much for that. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links will be in the description. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at right now? So the first altcoin on the list is going to be Monero. Monero is XMR ticker symbol. This one is up about 3.65%, trading at $211 right now. It was at lows of about $203 just about 24 hours ago on Saturday. So the market is performing very well. We're going to be keeping a very close eye on this one tonight. The rest of the market tonight, Sunday night going into Monday morning, to see how everything is going to perform. So in the past week, Monero is up about 7%. In the past month, it's actually down almost 6%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, Monero trading from $77 lows all the way up here to highs of over $517, pulled back down heavily to $200 on the crash. Obviously, since that $200 area in May, for the past 2 months, we've been consolidating up and down. So there was a lot of people buying on the lows, selling on the highs, which is obviously the smart thing to do in a sideways market where things just continue to go sideways. If we're in a bull market, it's good to just hold. If we're in a bear market, time to sell and wait for a lower price. But in a consolidation area like this, a lot of people are buying the lows, selling the highs, or trying to at least, you can't time it perfectly, but trying to scalp up some gains on there. So market cap on Monero, very low at 3.8 billion right now. When it was at highs up here, we were trading at around almost a 10 billion market cap. So we have plenty of room for Monero to grow in the upcoming, years. Volume in the past 24 hours at 151.9 million, and then the circulating supply at 18 million. So Monero is a cryptocurrency focused on privacy. Now, transactions on the Monero blockchain can be traced or tracked. So Monero uses a proof of work consensus algorithm to issue new coins and secure transactions. So that is how Monero works out, obviously. So definitely an interesting coin with a smaller market cap. Even though the coin's priced at a higher price, market cap is still very, very low. And I think that this one could definitely grow in the upcoming years as crypto continues to grow. Just in the whole wide world. So that is something we're going to be looking forward to. So that is our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Tron. So TRON, ticker symbol TRX. So this one is trading at around 5 cents right now. Very, very cheap coin, 0.0569. It is up about 0.5%, so pretty much flat for the day in the past week. This one is up 1.5% from down here, lows of about under 5 cents. Then we have the 1 month chart down about 14%, 1 year chart. The coin is up over 200%, trading from about less than 2 cents right here in July of 2020, and we went to highs up here of over, I believe, 17 cents, almost 18 cents in April. We pulled back down to 10 cents, came back up to about 15 cents, and then another, downward trend when the crypto market crashed. We went down to about 6 cents, and then ever since we've been pretty much consolidating with a little bit of a downward trend. So those are the two patterns that we've been seeing, obviously, with crypto. Most of these altcoins, like 80% of them, have followed the same pattern. So they're either trading sideways for the past 2 months. Then you have the, weaker, I guess you could say, altcoins that aren't as popular. They're the ones that went down and then continue to make lower lows very slowly. And then obviously you have that like 2% up there where there's coins that are actually went down to a low about 2 months ago. And now they're kind of actually on a little bit of an uptrend lately, but nothing major, nothing crazy to, look at. But those are the three patterns that we've been seeing for the past 2 months right now. And, that's definitely something interesting to take into consideration to see how the market is working. The market cap on Tron is going to be 4.1 billion. Volume on this one in the past 24 hours at 654.7 million. And then the circulating supply is a huge amount, 71.7 billion coins. So TRX or Tronix is a cryptocurrency running on the Tron blockchain. Its goal is to create a decentralized internet, so that is their goal. Market cap being super low, just like Monero. Even though Monero is trading at $200, there's a lot more coins, in circulation with Tron, and that is why the coin is a lot cheaper at only 5 cents compared to, Monero's $200 per coin. So very big difference, but still low market cap, 4.1 billion. When we were trading up here at around 17 or 18 cents, market cap was close to 15 billion or so. Plenty of room for Tron to grow, especially in a bull crypto market, and that's something that we always look forward to, because obviously as the large cap coins tend to go up, mid cap and low cap follow the same pattern. And once we see a bull run in crypto, these coins tend to fly on high very, very quickly, and we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on this one. Could definitely be another one potentially to buy in the future. So Tron is number 2, and then our third altcoin, another low market cap. So all of these coins right here, very, very low market cap. EOS. So EOS is pretty much down about 0.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $3.61. In the past week, it's down 1%, so it hasn't made much of a move, but it did hit lows of 315, and then from that 315 area, we hit highs of 372, 374. In the past month, EOS is down about 8%. In the past year, it's up 32%. So this coin is underperforming, in my opinion, as it was trading at 273 last year. Went up here to highs of 1490. Then we pulled back, and now we're trading downwards a little bit. But this coin only being up 32% in the past year, compared to almost every single other altcoin that you can find on the popular page list, obviously, or any of the other bigger cryptocurrencies. Even Bitcoin is up more than 32% in the past year. So that is just insane that EOS is lagging behind so much. I would expect this one to be up at least 100 or 200% in the past 365 days. Meanwhile, it's only up 32%. So there's going to be coins like this where they underperform, and they could potentially in the future make a big boom, because they've been falling or lagging behind, I guess you could say. But that also depends on the different types of bull markets that we see. A 32% gain, you could have probably made that in the stock market, which is a lot more safer, lower risk, lower volatility type situation in the stock market compared to crypto. So if you were buying, let's say, like Facebook last year, you would have made over 32% gains just from holding Facebook. And I would rather hold Facebook than crypto, in my opinion, because it is a stock, and it's a lot safer to trade, as cryptocurrency can go up and down very, very quickly. The high risk, high volatility type situation is there for sure. So obviously, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Before invest, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, because crypto is very, very volatile. Market cap on this one, 3.4 billion. So all three of these, very low market cap. Volume in the past 24 hours, 694.6 million. So EOS is a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with new EOS, effectively substituting inflation for transaction fees. So their coins, they almost have 1 billion coins in the marketplace right now, and that's another reason why the coin is so cheap. Obviously, just like we talked about with Monero, less coins, higher price for the coin. Even though the market caps are pretty much the same on all three of these coins, you see different prices. 361, we see 5 cents, and then we see 211. So that just shows you that price does not matter. Market cap is what matters. Always follow the market cap. That is something that new investors don't understand. They think just because Monero is at $211 per coin that it is a better coin than the other two, but in reality, all three of them are pretty much the same in market cap, wise. So none of them are better than the other in that way, in market cap, way. So guys, those are the three altcoins that we're going to be looking at, in the upcoming months to potentially buy if we could see a good opportunity. Now let's see what is the market doing. So Bitcoin up about 1.5%, like we said, from Saturday. So we hit highs up here at almost 35,000, on Sunday here in the morning. Then we pulled back down. Now we see a little bit of an uptrend. Now we're hoping for a more uptrend going into the Sunday night and into Monday morning. So, that's what we're going to be looking forward to, obviously. So in the past week, Bitcoin's up over 9%, guys, from lows of about down here at around 29,000 or so. In the past month, it's pretty much flat. And then on the 1 year chart, 256%, destroying EOS right there. So from 9,000 to highs of 64,000, then we pulled back down. And like we said, for the past 2 months, we've been trading, sideways with a little bit of a downtrend. But now we might be seeing an uptrend start up again. And that's what we're going to be hoping for in the, going into late summer and the rest of, 2021. So market cap, 641.4 billion right now. Ethereum, doing okay, but it's pretty much flat actually in the past 24 hours. So not doing as good as Bitcoin, but still trading at $2,155 in the past week. Ethereum is up 13%, outperforming Bitcoin from 1,700 to almost 2,155 now. In the past month, it's actually up 8% compared to Bitcoin being flat. So that is another win for Ethereum right there. In the past year, Ethereum wins again, 618% on the upside from $300 or so all the way to 4,400. Then we'll pull back here, and we've been trading sideways in this channel between 1,700 or so and a 2,800 level. So 252.4 billion on Ethereum. So, doing very well, but still lagging behind Bitcoin in the overall market cap, way if you're looking at that. But we believe that Ethereum will continue to perform very well. And maybe in the next 10 or 20 years, Ethereum could flip. We might see that flipping happen, and Ethereum might be the number one cryptocurrency instead of Bitcoin being the number one, big boss, I guess you could say. So Doge is pretty much flat on the 1 hour or 24-hour chart. In the past week, Doge is up 4.5%. In the past month, down 26%, way underperforming compared to the big two. So obviously right here in the past year, 5,900%, as we all saw, big boom here with Doge and then a downtrend. I still think this one's going to continue to go down unless we see a huge bull market. Then obviously all the altcoins tend to follow the same pattern, and I would not be surprised if Doge came back up, but that's only if we saw a bull market start to rally on higher. So 25.5 billion market cap on Doge. The market doing what it's doing. We were all looking forward to this weekend to see how it was going to perform. We did not want to see a sell-off happen over the weekend because most weekends we tend to see a sell-off, and then during the weekdays we tend to see a little bit of an uptrend. So we were hoping, since we had an uptrend throughout the week, that we would continue to uptrend throughout the weekend, and we're doing okay. Everything is either flat or a little bit on the higher side, even over the weekend. So hopefully now we can continue this, momentum into next week and continue to go higher and higher, as we have a lot of stock earnings coming up actually this week as well. A lot of the bigger companies are starting to report earnings, and that obviously is going to have an effect on crypto market as well, because they tend to follow each other's patterns. So that's something we're going to be looking out for as well, guys. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links are going to be in the description. And as always, guys, leave a comment below letting me know what crypto you're going to be watching right now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.